So if your AI agents aren't actually doing much for your business, I want to talk about why, because it's probably not what you even think. Everyone's out here, they're buying AI agent tools, stacking subscriptions, setting up automations, and the agents, they still feel kind of useless. Like they can answer a question, maybe draft something, but they're not actually running your business. And the common take is that you just need better agents, more powerful models, better prompting. That's not it at all. The reason the agent can't do anything meaningful for your business, it's almost never the AI, it's what's underneath it. And I figured this out the hard way, building out operating systems, one for my own content and marketing, one for sales. Once the foundation was right though, once I nailed it, everything for myself changed. So here's the problem with how most people are approaching this right now. When they hear AI agents, they end up going straight to the agent. What can it do? What tools does it connect to? What workflows can it run? And that's the wrong starting point. An AI agent is only as useful as the data it has access to. If your leads are scattered across 5 different platforms in spreadsheets, if your content's scattered everywhere across different editing apps or video hard drives and stuff like that, you're going to have a problem. The point is, if nothing talks to anything else, the agent is going to be flying blind. It might technically be able to do the things, but if it has no context, no real access, no unified picture of your business, so what ends up happening is it just does surface level stuff and that's it. Think of it like hiring the best chef in the world and then giving them an empty kitchen. The skill is there, the result still isn't going to be what you expected. Or maybe think about it this way. It's like buying a Ferrari and then you're trying to drive it on a dirt road. The car can do 200 miles an hour. The dirt road's not going to exactly let it. In this example, the road is your data infrastructure. Until that's built, the agent can't go anywhere. The real work, and this is the part nobody's selling you, is building the platform underneath the agent first. Getting all your data sources pulled into one place, clean and structured, so that when the agent does go do to something, everything is right there for it to access and it can do it properly. All right, so most of this, it's not even AI is the other point I want to make. And here's what's actually wild about this, right? When I actually end up looking at what I built, like the time, the architecture, what it's made of, most of it has nothing to do with AI at all. It ends up just being a bunch of code and other features that AI did build for me, but most of the platform to get the data aggregation in, the different integrations from the softwares we're using and things like that, it's not actually AI. However, it's this structure that makes everything accessible in one place. And so now the AI agent ends up being 20% of the whole thing, but it can do 100% of all the functions. So following our example, let's say the AI agent's 20% of the project. The other 80% is going to be solid infrastructure that makes everything possible for the agent to actually be useful, whether it's data aggregation or different APIs to like post to social media websites or use Telnix so that your AI agents can hop on the telephone, different things like that. 80% of it is going to be APIs, integrations, and other things, and we need to set that up first, have it able to be done manually by us so that then we can hand the AI agent off and the AI agent can go do the things that we could do manually, but it can do them for us. And this manual piece, it matters more than people are realizing, because if I can log in and do something myself, post content, pull a report, update a lead, that means the data exists, it's structured, it's accessible, which means the AI and agent now is going to be able to do it too. And the ability to do it manually is basically just proof that the AI can handle it. If you can't do it manually in the platform, the AI probably can't do it either. And that's the part that gets skipped every time, because nobody's making content about data aggregation. Everybody's talking about AI agents though. Okay, so what does this actually look like? Because yeah, let's just lay out what it actually looks like when it's built right, because I think that's more useful than explaining the concept. On the content side, let's say I pull all my social media platforms, image generation tools, everything I was using to distribute and create content, all of it into one platform. Now I add an AI agent and all I have to do is talk to the agent inside that app. Say, go on LinkedIn, comment on posts on my feed, and it does it. Say, set up an automation to do that every hour, and the AI agent does it. Say, I want to make a carousel post, image only, for across LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and threads or something like that with the 7 posts that you swipe through, and it will do it. Generate the images, come up with the caption, post it all for me, and then I can say, now I want you to set it up so this runs every Wednesday, and boom, now the AI agent sets an automation with the cron job, so I have a carousel going out every Wednesday across those 4 social media platforms. As easy as that, 5-10 minute conversation. And then I can actually take those same posts and say, now I want to run these as ads, and it'll set up the ad campaigns on Meta or Google Ads so that I never have to open any of those individual apps anymore. I just talk. Before this, I was putting out maybe 10 pieces of content a week. Now I can put out over 1,000 a month if I want, which is the same effort. Like, I'm not even kidding. 1,000 posts a month will take me less time than it used to make 10 posts individually. It's crazy what the AI agents can do once you give them the proper infrastructure, the proper system to be harnessed inside. Once they become the proper engine in this car that you built, things just kind of take off exponentially. And the reason this is possible, it's not that the AI is getting smarter. It's everything that it needs to execute is already there at its hands. The platforms are connected, the tools are integrated, so when I give it an instruction, there's nothing missing. It can actually go and finish the job. It's kind of the difference between asking someone to handle your errands versus asking someone who has your car keys, your credit card, and knows where everything is. Same person, completely different outcome. One of them's going to come back and ask you, well, yeah, are you going to pay me for those groceries? How am I going to get to the grocery store? Can you give me all this stuff? The other one, just going to go do it. So what does it even look like on like the sales side, let's say? I pull in every data source, all my lead sources, every ad platform, every website, all feeding into the same place. One view of everything. Now the AI agents that are living in that platform can actually do something because the data is there. It's clean, it's ready. They can manage the follow-ups for me, flag opportunities, help me see what's actually happening in my sales pipeline without me ever having to go pull from 5 different places and piece it together myself. Before this, I'd have leads coming in from different places, ads running in different dashboards, website traffic in an entirely different place. Nothing was connected. So even if an AI agent could technically manage my sales, manage what? Manage it from where? It had nothing to work with, but now it's all in the same place. And that difference is not a small efficiency gain. It's the difference between having a business that's manageable and one that's actually running itself. More time back, faster decisions, and the revenue that reflects it. So the next time that an AI agent, it feels underwhelming, it's worth asking, is the issue the agent or whether maybe we just don't have the foundation there yet? Because once the foundation does exist, the AI agent stops being a novelty and starts being the thing that actually can run your business. Guys, my name's Nolan Grout. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below what you're trying to automate in your business, because I'm genuinely curious where you're trying to implement AI agents, automation, and other things into your business to help you scale and grow things. Guys, let me know. I'm talking to business owners every single day. I just talked to a guy yesterday who's set to do maybe 50 million this year on his local home service business. Young dude, 24, 25, absolutely killing it. And even they are stuck on, paperwork, filling out paperwork, and there's a bunch of things that they need to get automated in their business. So this is real stuff that we're doing every single day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm here for you guys to be a resource because, well, you came and supported the channel. So I'll give back to you. Thanks for coming by. I'll talk to you guys later. This has been Nolan. Peace.